What's up guys, Charlie here. So today I just got my hands on a Toshiba 10,000 BTU 115 volt smart Wi-Fi touch control air condition unit with remote control. I got this at Home Depot. I paid $389 for that unit. You can see you can control it with your phone. It has a remote control and all that kind of stuff. All the specs are there. You can check it for yourself. But I paid $389 for that unit. It's a 10,000 BTU. The 12,000 is $459, and they also have a 18,000 for $649. You can see all the specs there again. What BTU you want for what square footage. For me, the 10,000 is perfect. I had a 5,000 unit before that, so this old unit there that stopped working was a 5,000. What I did was take the dimension. I went to Home Depot and I got the exact dimension match as this one, so it'll be easy to put in. And here it go, guys. It's in right now. It's working perfect. It's nice and quiet. You can see all the different controls on there. The remote that I can sit at my desk and just control it with just fingers and just control. Bring it up, bring it down, put it on auto, eco-friendly mode, all kind of modes on there that you might never use. You can also use Google, voice activated Google, and also Echo. That's from Amazon. But yeah, but this works perfect. Again, it's a good price. They have cheaper ones, but then you have to cut down the BTU. And right now I'm in Texas, so I got one that was a little bit more powerful and more BTU that I needed for the room. So it works perfect, and I just kind of close up around it just in case for protection.